Hello world and welcome to Charlotte, North Carolina. Today's quest brings us over to Carowinds to have ourselves a day. I've already done a video on opening day for 2026 and I wanted to cover some more new stuff that they have there. There's a new shop that has selling jams and things that's really kind of specific to Knott's Berry Farms that I want to check out. And then there's also a new snack stand. And guess what I'm wearing on my face? You see these bad boys right here? Carowinds is letting us film with camera glasses, so I might get some on-ride POV footage of some really cool coasters for the first time in how long have I been doing this? 6 years or something? So I am pumped up. This is gonna make my videos much better. I'm excited, y'all. Let's go in there and have some fun. Here comes Fury. That is so cool how it goes under the front, right? Like the front entrance. Makes the coaster part of the park, you know? We've been securitized. Let's go get ticketized. Dang, I forgot it was Viva La Fiesta. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna go in here and check that out too. That's gonna be part of the video. And we're in. It's not a very bright and sunshiny day, but it's gonna be a good one no matter what. It's a little rainy. I brought my jacket. We might be fighting that later, but it's gonna be fun. And here's the progress on the old Premier store, new State Street Emporium. It's looking pretty good. Please visit other locations because, yep, it is closed. And check this out. Do not enter. Authorized personnel only. We got demolition in progress. PPE you have to wear. It's pretty serious. Over next to Thunder Striker, we have some big old arches for Viva La Fiesta. And right out the gate, we have food booths here. Check it out, Fiesta Flavors. I'm never gonna be able to pronounce this correctly, but I'll show it on here. Oh, I love that kind of corn, the elote. Tres leche, all this looks good, don't it? Looks like they have some merch here too. We've got Viva La Fiesta shirts and cups, and they call these toothpick holders now. That's pretty cool. There's the dates for it down there, April 17th to May 17th. Got some live entertainment as well. If you want to pause this and read over it, you can. Seems like a lot of stuff going on around y'all. Now, I asked over there at the last food booth that I just had on the video, and they said that all of those menu items are on the dining plan, so that's pretty cool. I was thinking about that though, probably not the dessert. They told me everything on the menu was on the dining plan, and that little dessert at the bottom, I'm thinking probably isn't. But the other actual meals, I'm guessing probably are. I don't know, that's just what they told me. Over next to Harmony Hall, we have another food booth here. Let's see what they've got here. There you go, like I said, I'm gonna butcher those to pieces if I try to say it, but if you pause it, you can read that a little bit better. Wow, that looks good with that fruit and all. And if you want, you can scan that QR code right there and see the full menu. So I'll leave it up there, hit the pause button and scan it with your phones. Lastly, we have a canteen over here. So let's go see what's on the menu for that if you want a drink. Here they go. Read it over. We've even got some non-alcoholic ones. Pretty tasty looking stuff there, right? I almost missed this little thing right here. Ice cold paletas. Hopefully that's how you say it, but they're $3 and they're kind of like popsicles. And on the way out, they have a little patio area where you can go over there and play. Let's see what they got over there. Oh, it looks like some little stacking games and stuff. Jumbo stacks. And then a color by number up here. Very cool. And that's gonna do it for Viva La Fiesta. In that little area between Harmony Hall and where Nighthawk used to be is where it's all contained. So it's kind of in one little area, which makes it kind of convenient in my opinion. But let's go check out some more new stuff and then ride a roller coaster. And to be honest with you, I was gonna go in here and get some sirloin. Harmony Hall is selling sirloin, but some of that food looked pretty good over there at Viva La Fiesta, so I may kind of change plans, reroute it, and give me some food over there. It's pretty neat. But I did want to show this. You remember this used to be the milkshake stand? It is now Thunder Road Drinks and Snacks. And this is what they're gonna have here. Again, you can hit the pause button and see it a little bit better. Flavored pickles in a cup. That's kind of interesting. I like pickles, so that's cool. But it is a snack stand now. And check it out, we've got some popcorn buckets over here. It says they're $18 on the menu, $17.99. That's pretty cool. Disney does this and a lot of people collect it. And I think that's kind of neat that Carowinds is starting to bring in collectibles and things. Last year or two, I can't remember when, they had pins, like collectible pins with the roller coasters. Now they have souvenir buckets. And I think they still have some of the pins, but I don't know, it's just kind of cool to be able to collect these things for your home park, you know? Now we're gonna go check out that new store I was telling you about. So if you pass Boo Blasters and head down this hill, Rusted Rooster Trading Post has some new things inside of it. So let's go check them out. Oh, they've done a great job with this store. Look how cool it looks. We got like standard snacks, some t-shirts, some popcorn. Check this out, this is kind of neat. We got coaster flavored beef jerky. It kind of says what it is. Like Fury is wild barbecue beef jerky. Copperhead is peppered beef jerky. Oh, they got more here too. We got Carowinds buttery prime rib flavor. And at the bottom, we have a Thunder Striker one. Tender teriyaki beef jerky is what Thunder Striker is. But check it out, we got rock candy, hot sauce for Copperhead Strike. That's cool. And this is what I was talking about earlier. Knott's Berry Farms over in California is real popular for Boysenberry. And since the same people kind of own it, they're under the same umbrella, they brought it over here to Carowinds, and there's your prices and everything that you can get. But if you've not tried Boysenberry, it is really good. Grilling glaze there. Syrup, that's interesting. And I'm guessing this is a jam. Strawberry preserves. Do they have Boysenberry? I don't see that. Very cool stuff though. Boysenberry is actually pretty good. Boysenberry coffee. What? That is neat. I might have to try some of that. And then what is this? Concentrate, so it's like juice. Very cool stuff. I'm wigging out on this because I think Knott's Berry Farms looks really cool, so it's neat that we got some of that over here. And then we've got like a snack stand thing with cookies and cake pops and everything. Interesting stuff. These are also kind of low-key one of my favorites. Pecans, roasted pecans, I think is what I get. And then we have some more snacks over here and some candy. All right, we made our way back over here to Viva La Fiesta, and we're gonna try that right there, Bondipan. And this is what it is, Bondipan, I guess is how you say it, but it's a roasted pork sandwich with chimichurri and salsa served with white cilantro rice. We're in line getting it now and about to throw down. And here we go, we've got the Bondipan from Argentina. There you have it. Not gonna lie, I have already tried it. I did a reel on it earlier, and that is really good. This stuff is like real flavored, lots of spices, like Hispanic spices in there. We got cilantro and everything inside of it. Not as much salsa as what I thought it would be, but it's still really good. We got some onions, and the bread tastes fresh. I haven't tried the rice yet though, but I'm telling you that is one of my favorite things I have ever eaten at Carowinds right now. Well duh, the salsa's right here. I missed that part, so I guess you just put your own salsa on it. I'm gonna put a little bit on there and tell you what I think. We're gonna put it on the end in case my wife doesn't wanna try it. It might be spicy too. Here we go. Salsa's on there now. Let's see what I think about it. Honestly, even better with the salsa, and it's not spicy. Got a small little kick to it, but it honestly tastes like regular salsa I'm used to, maybe at like a Mexican restaurant or something. But that beef and stuff is flavored like you wouldn't believe. And like I said before, the bread tastes super fresh. Definitely worth it in my opinion. And I did use my meal plan on it, my dining plan. So that was nice to not have to pay for it right now. And now I was hit up with this. What is this called?
Don't ask me.
Don't ask me. That's a weird name for some food. Do you know what it's called, Dustin? He's from Carowinds fans only.
Pull it up and
all right, give us a second. So what is it?
Fruit with
Chelados Colombianos, and it's from Colombia. Fresh mixed fruit topped with sweetened condensed milk. Thank you, Dustin, from Carowinds fans only.
No problem.
Now, what's it taste like from 8-Bit Vacations fans only? Is it good?
Fruit with condensed milk. Yeah.
Fruit with condensed milk.
It's really good.
There you have it from the master food reviewer. And she's right. It mostly tastes like fruit with a little bit of condensed milk on there, but it's mostly a fruit cup. Still good, fresh fruit. All right, we are done with food, and let me tell you, that was a good meal. I enjoyed that a lot. But for the first time ever, we're gonna go head to my first POV roller coaster footage. I'm gonna fire these bad boys up on Fury 325. You know, I'd have to do my first POV on this sucker. I'm excited. Let's go do this, y'all. So I'm not gonna lie, I had a little bit of issues getting this thing, the camera here attached to my phone, to upload a test video that I did. So I hope it works out. I'm gonna put up a good fight though, but here we go. Woo! Woo! There's Charlotte. That was good. We're headed on back to Harmony Hall to meet up with my family. What'd you think about that? My first coaster here at Carowinds, POV footage of it. Super cool. I don't think it's gonna be like the most highest video or sound quality, but we got something, right? Maybe if I make $1 million off of it, I'll buy me one of those Meta glasses that cost a lot of money, like $500-600, and do it again. But regardless, that's super cool. I'm so glad that Carowinds allows us to do this now. I did send an email and ask before I did it, was given approval. So yeah, I got the strap on the back. It's in sport mode, and we had a good time. So I met up with my family, and they are still eating. My daughter played with this little girl for like literally, what was it, an hour?
Probably.
And now they're having to eat because my daughter wouldn't eat that food that I just ate on the video. So they're eating now, and she's like, go ride another roller coaster. So let's go get some more POV, for goodness sakes. It's fun, right? What do you say we hit up the old Copperhead Strike? I'm gonna have to glue these things to my head so they don't fall off. But I'm pumped. This is one of my favorites. Honestly, I love Fury and all. This is also a good one as well. It's just a good coaster with all the hang time you get from it. I like the theming in that barn, the launch part and all. It's a ton of fun. So let's get this on video too while we're at it.
You gotta remember, that wasn't
Yeah. They stole it. Gosh. They stole it from you. Oh, hang time. Oh. Oh, that was fun. And there you have it. We just got off of that. I really hope you all like this because a lot of people don't ride rides like this and they still want to see it happening. So like I said, I'm super glad Carowinds changed their policy and is letting us wear these things. Now, like I said, I did ask for permission first. I don't know if that's like a thing you got to do, ask for permission or whatever, but or if it applies to everybody, but I did ask for permission and I am so glad I did. I love me some Copperhead Strike and Fury. And by the way, while we're talking about it, some lady at Harmony Hall, we were talking to her and she said that Fury was her son-in-law's favorite ride. and he rode it like multiple times a day, and he passed away. So that was sad. So I'm glad to get footage like that for people like that so they can watch it. She said she never rode rides like that. So there you have it. You can watch it on YouTube. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I'd like to go do something else, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one up. But I had a good time. Super cool seeing the Viva La Fiesta, right?
Yep, Viva La Fiesta.
Good food on the dining plan. That's always a question he gets asked.
Yeah.
And awesome music and stuff. So then I'm also glad to take you all on the rides as well. So good day. We saw some new stuff and had some fun. But check out Carowinds Fans Only on Facebook, Instagram, and stuff. And that's gonna be it for me. So thanks for watching and thanks for playing. Bye, world.
Bye.